Are you ready to transform your home into a stylish, comfortable, and eco-friendly space without spending too much? Welcome to today's video, where we will explore affordable and sustainable decor trends that will help you design your dream space. Whether you want a modern, rustic, or minimalist look, there are countless ways to decorate your home while being mindful of the environment and your budget. Let's dive into some creative ideas that will make your space look stunning and sustainable. Use recycled and upcycled furniture. One of the best ways to decorate sustainably is by using recycled and upcycled furniture. Instead of buying brand new items, look for secondhand furniture in thrift stores or online marketplaces. You can give old furniture a new life with a fresh coat of paint, new hardware, or creative modifications. A simple wooden table can turn into a stylish coffee table, and an old dresser can be refreshed with a modern touch. Not only does this save money, but it also reduces waste and gives your home a unique personal touch. Embrace natural and organic materials. Using natural materials in your decor is an easy way to make your home more eco-friendly. Choose furniture and decor made from bamboo, rattan, reclaimed wood, or natural fibers like cotton, linen, and jute. These materials are durable, biodegradable, and give your space a warm, inviting feel. A jute rug, bamboo blinds, or linen curtains can instantly add texture and depth to your home while keeping it sustainable. Choose energy-efficient lighting. Lighting plays a crucial role in setting the mood of your space. To make your home both beautiful and energy-efficient, switch to LED bulbs, which last longer and use less energy than traditional bulbs. Consider using solar-powered lights for outdoor areas or placing lamps in a way that maximizes natural light during the day. Soft, warm lighting can create a cozy ambience while saving energy and lowering electricity bills. Decorate with plants. Adding greenery to your home is one of the easiest ways to embrace sustainable decor. Plants not only purify the air, but also bring a refreshing and calming vibe to any room. Choose low-maintenance plants like snake plants, pothos, or succulents if you are new to plant care. Hanging planters, wall-mounted shelves with potted plants, or a statement indoor tree can enhance the beauty of your home while improving air quality. Repurpose everyday items before throwing something away. Think about how you can repurpose it into decor. Old glass jars can become candle holders, wine bottles can be turned into vases, and wooden crates can be used as storage or shelving units. Creativity is key when it comes to sustainable decor, and you will be surprised at how many items can be reused in beautiful and functional ways. Use eco-friendly paint and finishes when painting your walls or furniture. Opt for eco-friendly paints that are free of harmful chemicals. Many brands now offer low VOC or zero VOC paints, which reduce indoor air pollution and are safer for both you and the environment. Choosing natural wood finishes or water-based stains for furniture refinishing is another great way to keep your space stylish and sustainable. Invest in multi-purpose furniture. If you have a small space or want to keep things minimal, multi-purpose furniture is a great investment. Look for items like a bed with storage drawers, a foldable dining table, or a sofa that turns into a bed. These pieces maximize functionality while reducing the need for excess furniture, which means less production, less waste, and a more sustainable home. Support local and ethical brands. When buying new decor items, consider supporting local artisans and ethical brands that use sustainable materials and fair labor practices. Handmade pottery, woven baskets, and handcrafted furniture not only add charm to your home, but also help small businesses and artisans thrive. Plus, these unique pieces often have better craftsmanship and last longer than mass-produced alternatives. Choose sustainable textiles. Textiles play a big role in home decor, from bedding and curtains to cushions and rugs. Look for organic cotton, bamboo fabric, hemp, or recycled materials when shopping for these items. Many brands now offer eco-friendly options that are soft, durable, and made without harmful chemicals. Not only do these textiles feel great, but they also contribute to a healthier home environment. Minimize waste and clutter. Sustainability isn't just about what you add to your home, it's also about what you remove. Decluttering and organizing your space can make your home feel more inviting while reducing waste. Instead of throwing things away, donate, recycle, or repurpose them. A clutter-free home looks more stylish and helps you appreciate the beauty of your decor. DIY projects are a fun and affordable way to decorate your home sustainably. Whether it's making your own wall art, crafting a handmade macrame hanger, or building a small shelf, DIY Decor allows you to personalize your space while being mindful of waste and costs. Plus, these projects can be a great way to express your creativity and make your home truly one of a kind. Final touches for a cozy home. To make your home feel even more welcoming, add personal touches that reflect your style. A mix of textures, warm color palettes, and cozy elements like soft throws and scented candles can create an inviting atmosphere. Incorporating meaningful decor pieces like family heirlooms or travel souvenirs adds personality and makes your home truly yours. Conclusion: designing your dream space doesn't have to be expensive or harmful to the environment. By embracing affordable and sustainable decor trends, you can create a stylish, comfortable, and eco-friendly home. From using recycled furniture and natural materials to decorating with plants and supporting ethical brands, small changes can make a big difference. See you in the next video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.